Is your Outlook constantly asking you to enter your password over and over again, even after you logged in? This annoying issue is usually caused by authentication errors. Things like saved credential problems, outdated account settings, two-factor authentication conflicts, etc. But there are some fixes that target these authentication errors and stop those passwords prompt for good. In this video, I'll walk you through proven solutions to fix the issue once and for all. And if you still get prompted after these steps, our experts are available at the numbers on the screen. So let's begin. Start by opening Outlook. Click File in the top left corner of the window. Select the Account Settings drop-down menu. Click Account Settings from the list. Choose your account and click Change. Click More Settings in the bottom right corner. Go to the Security tab, uncheck the option for prompting logon credentials, then choose and reopen Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help-emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.